this Nano, they have a power LED. In order to further reduce power, I have to remove either the LED or the resistor. In this case, I think resistor is easier to be removed, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't have a flat solder head here. What I do have is a copper wire to wrap around the solder iron head, and so that it can make a chopstick to pick up the resistor. Notice there are 4 resistors here, so you look for the power LED, and the resistor is connected to that power LED. Repeat that for the rest of the Nano. Now it will only blink when the job is done and there is no more annoying power LED blinding your eyes. Is it worth the effort for the power save? Definitely no, because the power save is negligible. But I do like the more visible blinking effect now. And that's the end of my video. If you think this is interesting and it helped you, do consider to donate DUCO to JK. Thank you very much to support me. Hit like, share and subscribe. See you next time.